Hello, I'm Jamie from Kite Packaging. I'm here in our mobile packaging lab today to talk to you about our range of gum paper tape and dispensers. These range from handheld manual all the way to a fast and efficient automatic device which will fit the needs of small businesses all the way up to large scale operations. So what is gum paper tape or water activated tape? Essentially, gum paper tape is the best eco-friendly alternative to plastic tape when sealing cartons or cardboard boxes for two main reasons. Firstly, as you can see, it's made from brown paper. This not only makes the tape recyclable, but also we find this tape seamlessly blends into our cardboard boxes, making for a cleaner and more aesthetically pleasing pack to send to customers. The second eco feature is that the adhesive doesn't contain any chemicals. It is a water-activated vegetable starch. This gives you and your customers peace of mind that your carton sealed with gum paper tape is 100% recyclable, biodegradable, and curbside recyclable. We find that gum paper tape is very strong and resilient. The starch adhesive of the gum paper tape bonds to the fibres of the carton, which give a permanent bond that isn't affected by temperature changes, either hot or cold. It's great not only for taping flaps, but for strengthening corners and edges of heavier parcels. Whilst we find our standard single-ply tape provides great strength, we have also introduced a reinforced two-ply version, which is perfect for very heavy packages or packs where you need added security. We do 50 and 70mm in both the standard and reinforced to fit the requirements of your business. Now you know a bit about the gum paper tape, I will now go into the different dispensers in our range to help you make an educated and confident decision you're making the correct choice for your business. This is a handheld dispenser. If your business doesn't have a designated packing area, we suggest you have a look at this option. It's designed to be used with a 50-meter roll. Simply load the tape, fill the water reservoir in the handle, and pull out, and as simple as that. This is a pull and tear dispenser. It's compatible with the 50 and 70mm standard tapes only. It's really simple to use as well. Simply pull the tape across the moistened roller, tear back, and apply to your carton. This is a manual tabletop dispenser. It's compatible with 70mm standard and reinforced tape, and it's ideal for low to medium usage. This is perfect if power supply to the packing bench is very limited. To use, simply press the button until the desired length is reached, and then press the cut. Designed with efficiency in mind, our electronic dispenser comes with a built-in heater which activates the gum quicker and ensures a quicker cure time on the carton. This machine is compatible with both the standard and reinforced tapes in both the 50 and 70mm widths. It has some great features including repeat, cross seal, H seal, and it's preset from 10 centimeters all the way through to 2.2 meters, which will improve efficiencies within the packing area. We recommend this machine for medium to high users of tape. This is the Better Packages BP 555. This is our premium machine and is designed for very high volume usage. This machine moistens, dispenses, and cuts in just one touch of a button. Perfect for busy packing stations. It features a large 1.8 litre water tank, so you spend less time refilling and more time packing. The BP 555 is only compatible with our Venom 305-metre roll of reinforced tape. The Venom roll is 3 times longer than our standard 100-metre roll of tape. It comes with presets from 15 centimetres all the way through to 2.9 metres, giving you precise control every single time you use it. Plus, the built-in heater gives a consistent tape application even in colder environments. This machine is designed for performance and reliability, so if you're looking to upgrade packing efficiency, this is the machine for you. In addition to our range of tape dispensers I've shown you today, we are now able to offer a fully automatic gum paper tape carton sealer. These are perfectly placed in production or packing areas where you wish to replace existing carton sealers, or in areas with high output, or companies wishing to replace less environmentally friendly materials. So that's our gum paper tape range in a nutshell. With our gum paper tape and tailored dispensers, you can ensure eco-friendly packaging for your business no matter the scale. If you have any questions regarding any of our offerings, please don't hesitate to get in touch via phone or email. When considering a purchase, please provide us with the details of your volumes, typical carton size, weight and value so we can recommend the best tape and dispenser to fit your needs. Thanks for watching.